Hi, I'm Layyina. I'm an AAD student, Applied Art. And I was born in Malaysia, but I'm Indonesian. My mom is Chinese. I lived in Indonesia for 11 years, then UK for 6 years, and then Malaysia for 1 year now. There was a point in my life where I started making friends more than I ever could during high school, and that was in college. So I did college for 6 months before coming to CFS, foundation studies, and during there, I started to become more confident and start talking to people. Maybe it's because I didn't wear the uniform. Because in high school I wore uniform and I was maybe one of the only one who wear the hijab and long trousers, but in college everyone wear what they wanted, so I guess I became myself. With a new skill that I learned in college, I went to CFS knowing that I felt even more comfortable and knowing that I could actually make and talk with people, and I became more comfortable, and I eventually made at least friends, or I call them friends. I was a bit, I don't know, because I'm Indonesian, so I guess Indonesian and Malaysian aren't that different. So to talk to them was like, okay, I'll talk to them, right? Because what's the difference of like talking to someone from UK, whether they're Scottish, whether they're British, whether they're like Indian, whether they're Turkish, whether they're Kurdish, just talk to them. Because most of the time you're gonna get the same response. They're either really shy or they're really open, or for my case I was really shy and now I'm kind of really open. So once one of my studio mates say they wanted to hand in a sketchbook, and then it belonged to one of the international, and she said, oh, is it one of them? And the moment she said them, I'm not blaming her at all for this. If you're watching this, I'm not blaming you, but don't say the word them, because it reminds me of this thing that my teacher told me. And it was something to do related with the Nazi era. Basically, it's the separation of thinking this one group is better than the other. Once you separate yourself from, like, once you created that boundary, you already established that either one is superior or the other is inferior. There shouldn't be any separation, because you don't know what's behind the clothes, the face that they wear, because it's just people are like that. There shouldn't be any boundaries. We're Muslims and we have this kind of faith which can unite us. Yay!